Today I wanted to briefly go over how animation layers can be a very helpful tool for editing your animation. Now, how I approach layers is to use them as tweaks or to create additive animations already on top of my core animation, which is already working. I don't like to animate in layers like to create my base animation. I want to have that generally working, and then I will use animation layers to either do a fix or do some sort of additive animation like shaking or laughing or something like that. And to illustrate how you can use animation layers, I have an example here. What I want to do is I want to retain this animation in the hand here, but I want it to be a fist. So the brute force way to do it would be to grab all the RZ, or let's see, it would be the RX in this case, and like move them all to get them to be bent in the way that I want. You can do it that way, but this is a situation where animation layers is very helpful. So what I will do is I'll select all my controls. I have a selection set in Studio Library. Then if I go to the sequencer tab, I'll scroll up. If I hit this plus button here on my rig, you'll see I can create animation layers, and I want to do an additive because I want to retain the animation that's already in the hand. So now you'll see that there are two. One of them has the base animation, this one with all the keys, and this one is the other layer that has nothing on it. And so then what I can do is I can be on this layer here, and then I'll paste my fist pose. And then now look, when I press play, you'll see that I retain that animation, but now it is in a fist. So this is a great use case for animation layers. In Maya, I definitely use animation layers for these types of things, and especially for editing mocap. A lot of times I will use it for pushing a pose and making it better, and then I would bake it out. Yeah, I hope this is helpful for you, a little workflow tip for you, and as always, happy animating.